You all are so close to being finished, it's not even funny. We just have to do our fourth stage of the life cycle of a butterfly. And if we come over to our Word document, we see that the fourth stage of a butterfly is the adult stage. So I'm going to do just like I've done before and start with a yellow sentence. The fourth stage of the butterfly life cycle is adult. In this stage, the butterfly can lay its own eggs. Bada bing. Oh, and look at that. They underlined this word, which tells me something is wrong with it. Now, I know that I need to add a U, but let's see what they suggest. Ah, yes, I need to add a U. In the fourth stage of the butterfly life cycle, the butterfly is an adult. Okay, the fourth stage of the butterfly life cycle is, oh goodness, I need to reread this. This just isn't making sense to me. The fourth stage of the butterfly life cycle is the butterfly is an adult. I know what I need to fix. The fourth stage of the butterfly life cycle is the adult stage. Sometimes my fingers move faster than my brain, or sometimes my brain moves faster than my fingers. I'm not sure. But I went back and I fixed my mistake. Totally fine. Now I'm going to highlight this sentence in yellow because it gave a little information, but not all. And in this sentence, in this stage, the butterfly can lay its own eggs. I gave more information, which is where you need to stop and process. Okay, I now have my fourth stage. I need to come back here and say, what is the fourth stage of the butterfly life cycle? And I would say the fourth stage of the butterfly life cycle is the adult stage. Bada bing, bada boom.